In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a paid bill in Xero. When handling invoices in Xero, you might occasionally find yourself needing to remove a bill that's already been paid. Perhaps an error was made, or you just need to make some adjustments. No matter the reason, Xero allows you to manage these modifications with a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you want to start by heading over to your Xero dashboard. This is your main hub of information where all the essential financial data of your business is displayed. Once there, navigate over to the Sales section, which is located on the main menu. Clicking Sales will open up more options for managing your financial transactions. The next step is selecting Invoices from the list that appears. This will open up a window with all your outstanding and paid invoices listed. Now comes the part where you choose the specific invoice you want to alter. Be sure to select an invoice that has already been paid, as that's the focus of today's tutorial. After selecting the paid invoice, you'll need to click on Less Credit related to that invoice. This helps in managing the credit applied or relating adjustments that might have been erroneously entered. You may notice some options highlighted on your page. Clicking on these highlighted items will guide you through further steps, ensuring you are on the right path. Before proceeding further, you'll probably come across a prompt that reads, "Almost there." It's Xero's way of confirming that you're about to make a significant transaction change. Continue by clicking on the highlighted options once more. Eventually, you'll move to complete your part of the process. This means confirming setups that are almost finalized, entering any additional details, and making sure everything aligns with your records. By now, you're getting close to accomplishing the task, so a little patience will go a long way. Now go back to your Xero main menu by selecting Home. Again, navigate to Sales and then back to Invoices to ensure the adjustments you made are reflecting correctly. You may also need to perform some additional checks or balances depending on the complexity of your accounting records. Let's proceed with clicking on Options at the invoice level. Under this menu, you'll have an array of selections, but for your purpose, you should click on Remove and Redo. This action essentially resets the transaction, effectively removing the paid status and allowing you the room to make any necessary changes. Remember, making amendments to financial records is crucial for accurate bookkeeping, so always double check your entries before and after making these changes. And that's it. Successfully deleting a paid bill in Xero is just a sequence of organized steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.